Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find terms of service settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings. Now here you'll find it, terms of service. Just click on it like this and that's it. That's how to find terms of service settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.